bocce ball is a great backyard sport for all ages. Essentially, you need a flat, level, rectangular space with low walls to contain the balls during play. We're building this court as part of a larger patio project, but the court itself will measure 10 feet by 25 feet, approximately half the size of a regulation court. The yard is sloped away from the house, so both the patio and the court will be supported by a retaining wall on the low side. We're using pavestone Ladera blocks to build this wall, which will also serve as the border for the court. Once the wall is complete, we can begin filling the interior space with compactable base. Now, since we need to raise the court almost 18 inches, we're compacting the base in layers, about 2 inches at a time. We're using some bulk base for the lower levels, but for the top surface, we're using the bagged pavestone base because it contains fewer large chunks of aggregate that would create obstacles on the court. Pro bocce ball courts are typically made of sand, clay, or crushed stone, so paver base is perfect for this application. To separate the court from the patio, we're using more Ladera block turned on the edge as an attractive and functional border. The result is a beautiful addition to the patio that'll also provide this family hours of entertainment.